Taking a single product from a raw photograph to a campaign asset ready for production involves an entire chain of people. I'm going to show you what happens when that whole chain is replaced by a single agent. Invideo is an AI powered content creation platform designed to help you generate videos, visuals, and marketing assets without the need for a full production team. Within video, there's a section called Agents and Models. This is where their more advanced AI tools are housed. Rather than just basic generators, these are specialized AI systems designed to handle specific tasks such as editing, scripting, and creating visual outputs from a simple brief. One of these tools is called Advertising Studio. Advertising Studio is designed to take a single product image and transform it into a complete set of marketing visuals. Rather than manually designing, photographing, and editing content, you provide it with one image and one prompt, and it takes care of the entire process for you. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you now. Now, before I generate this, let me show you what this would usually involve. To produce an image like this, you'd typically require a full production chain. You would need a creative director to define the vision, an art director to plan the visuals, a photographer to shoot the product, a retoucher to perfect the final image, and several rounds of revisions before the final delivery. I'm going to do exactly the same thing here. So I'll go to Advertising Studio and select Catalog Photography. So I've uploaded a picture of a candle, and the prompt is lifestyle catalogue shot for a hand-poured soy wax candle in a matte black vessel with a gold foil label, styled on a dark marble surface, a single white orchid and folded linen cloth beside it, soft warm candle light as the primary light source, sophisticated, minimal, luxury home fragrance. Target is premium homeware, buyers aged 28 to 45. And now I'll just click Generate. Now watch what happens. Creative Director, handled by the agent. Art Director, handled by the agent. Retoucher, done. Revision rounds, completely removed. And final delivery is what you're looking at right now. And for this next one, I'm going to choose Amazon A+ content. And the prompt here would be a plus content visual for a luxury candle brand. Editorial dark aesthetic, deep charcoal tones, clean typography, space for brand story and ingredient callouts, soy wax, cotton wick, fragrant notes, communicative craft, atmosphere and premium quality. Brand narrative, not product shot. We're going to use the same image of that candle and we're going to click generate. And just look how perfect that actually is. Now, what's powering this is the Creative Director agent. It's an advanced AI model built on the Nano Banana 2 architecture, and it's designed to interpret your brief in the same way a full creative team would. It reads intent, not just instruction. It makes visual decisions like an art director. It handles lighting, composition, environment, and color automatically. It executes like a photographer. It produces production-ready visuals, and it finishes like a retoucher, output that doesn't need post-production. And the key difference is it does all of this in one go. No revision cycles, no coordination between roles, no delays between steps. It takes a single product image and turns it into a full multi-asset campaign. So I'm just going to click into Trends, go to Advertising Studio and choose Thematic Photography. Two thematic directions for the same candle. Vision A is an intimate evening ritual, dark bedroom settings, soft candlelight, open book, cashmere throw, slow and indulgent. Version B is a clean wellness aesthetic, white bathroom, bath drawn, eucalyptus on the side, bright and restorative. And I'm just going to hit generate. And you can see how it nails the prompt. That entire production chain, creative director, art director, photographer, retoucher, and revision rounds has all been collapsed into one brief and one generate click. Every preset inside Advertising Studio is completely free right now on Invideo. The link's in the description. Go and replace your production chain today. Here's what most people don't realize. This production chain isn't just complex. It's expensive. You know, a creative director can cost anywhere between $150 and $300 per hour. An art director adds another $100 to $200 per hour. A photographer can charge anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per day. A retoucher, $50 to $150 per image, and it increases with complexity. And then you have the revision rounds, which add time and costs across every role. So, for a single deliverable, you're often looking at thousands of dollars and weeks of production time, and this cycle repeats for every format, every product, and every campaign. When you remove that entire production chain, this is what becomes possible. For brands, you can launch new products with full campaign visuals before the first unit has even shipped. For agencies, you can onboard new clients and deliver assets before the traditional chain has even confirmed the brief. For Amazon sellers, you can generate a complete set of listing images the very same day your stock arrives. And for anyone running paid ads, you can come up with a creative direction in the morning and have production ready assets live by the afternoon. The production chain used to be the bottleneck, but now Advertising Studio removes it entirely. The most powerful way to visualize this is to show the traditional production chain, with each step being crossed out in real time as the creative director agent takes over. It makes the value instantly obvious, not just theoretical. And when you collapse a production chain, you're not just saving time and money, you're eliminating coordination risk altogether. Fewer handovers mean fewer mistakes, fewer misunderstandings, and much more consistent output. The production chain is the reason most brands can't move as quickly as they'd like, test as many ideas as they should, or produce the amount of content they actually need. Advertising Studio removes that bottleneck entirely, and you can try it for free on Invideo right now. Check the link in the description. Brief the creative director agent on your next campaign and see just how quickly production can really move. And when you're ready to scale up, paid plans unlock over 80 models and higher creative limits.